Hello. Hey, this is Commissioner Van. Got a car just went over into Gamble Creek. We're on Golf Course Road by the entrance to Twin Rivers. Can you hear me?
Your phone's cutting in and out, but I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello? Yes, I got you.
Okay.
Golf
what is the address of the
Road,
emergency?
Golf Course Road at the entrance to Twin Rivers Trail and Golf Course Road. And we have a SUV that got swept off of Golf Course into Gamble Creek, and we got 3 people running down there, including Jody Fisk, to help them.
Okay, give me 1 second here.
There's obviously at least one occupant. It's swift water, man.
All right, give me 1 second. I'm just updating them.
Let's get in the truck and go down there. Yeah, man, I just need fire out here ASAP. I gotta get in the truck and drive down there, okay? We gotta go. All right, bye.
Give me 1 second here. I'm just updating them.